Kain ko na, sana meron pang kain.
Jollibee.
Dami tao dito. Mga kapila eh, walang tao.
Mic check. Converts. Ebrex. Vega.
Mic check. No.
Sound, check, sound. Hi, good afternoon, Baguio! Sound check lang po yun. Wait lang. Hi, everyone! Are you guys having fun? Yes! Well, can I see thumbs up, guys? Thumbs up if you guys are having fun! Eh, gusto nyo dagdagan natin yung mga ngiti sa labi nyo, guys? Do you want to have and play some games? Alright, come on guys, here on the stage! I'm so excited! Are you guys excited as well? Guys, can I request then, no? When I say Bakari, can you say sweat? Bakari? Sweat! Bakari? Sweat! Oh my gosh, I love the energy, Baguio! Kahit ang lamig-lamig, pinag-iinit nyo ang araw na ito! Ayan! Thank you so much! Ala, ang gaganda nila! Mas maganda kayo sa mga bulaklak na dyan, oh. Ayan, magaganda lahat ng bagay na nakikita ko dito sa Baguio. Yung mga tao, mga bulaklak, mga views, di ba? Do you guys agree na magaganda lahat na nandito sa Baguio? Yes! Alright. Okay, so where's John? Where's John? John, outside the barricade, please. Ayan, so ito na ang games natin. Madali lang to. Ayan. Sound check tayo, John.
Sound check.
Ayan.
Hello.
So, I have here, no, my colleague. Oh my gosh. Inside ka na lang pala, ano. Yan. I have here my colleague. John, can you raise your hand, John?
Hello.
Here inside the barricade na lang, please. Baka pagkaguluhan ka ng tao.
Hello.
Ayan. So, there are just a few questions, no? If you got the right answer, you'll win premium items from Bakari's Web. Alright? Okay. Do you have fans? Can you show your fans now? Alright, for the first question. What does panagbenga mean? What does panagbenga mean? Okay, John, go.
Summer Festival.
Ano ba? Okay, correct naman what you do. But I'm looking for another answer. One prize. Another answer po, another answer.
The celebration of Baguio City every year.
Wow, that's the festival, sir. But what does the panagbenga
Top John Hay.
Blooming of flower.
Ano?
Blooming of flowers.
Very good! So it's from Kankani. Correct me if I'm wrong. No? It means season of blooming. So blooming talaga siya. That's why I believe everyone is really looking beautiful and blooming today. I believe this whole month. Next naman. What is the theme of Panagpanga 2025? What is the theme with explanation? What is the theme of Panagpanga 2025 with explanation?
Love of beyond boundaries.
What's the meaning po for you? Alright, dahil dyan, because Pocahontas well loves you, tama na yan. Alright, congratulations! Next naman, history. Who's learning history here? History, ay, ikaw din? Pupunta nga lang sa background. Alright, history. In which year?
Tanin,
in which
tama.
year did the first Panagpanga Festival take
Waiting
place?
event.
1995!
95! Oh, that's not based on my research, not 1995. This one. February 1996. Very good! 1996 it is! Congratulations! Ito, very recent to, very recent. What record-breaking event is set for the Grand Float March in Panagpanga 2025? How many floats did we have today? How many? 46. Very good! Congratulations!
PTX ko ba? Hindi ka tao naglalakad ka.